Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add WhatsApp to the Opera GX sidebar so you can chat without switching tabs. Let's get started. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Look to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your sidebar. You'll probably see icons for things like GX Corner, Twitch, Discord, and maybe some others. If you don't already see WhatsApp here, we're going to add it manually. Hover your mouse over the sidebar and click the three dots at the very bottom. This opens the sidebar setup panel. Now look through the list of messengers. You'll see WhatsApp listed here. Just click the little toggle switch next to it to turn it on. As soon as you do that, the WhatsApp icon will appear in the sidebar. Now, let's open it. Click on the WhatsApp icon. A window will slide out asking you to scan a QR code with your phone. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Linked Devices. Now, tap Link a Device and point your camera at the QR code on your screen. Give it a second, and you'll be logged into WhatsApp right inside your browser. Now you can send and receive messages, reply to groups, and even view media, all without ever leaving Opera GX. That's it. If you ever want to hide WhatsApp again, just go back to the sidebar setup and toggle it off. Hope this helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.